Here's what you might have been missing when you listen. Now, do you ever wash dishes and you're scrubbing all the gunk off and you rinse the plate and you see a little food left on the plate? Do you just say, that's good enough, and put it in the drying rack? If you do, please don't invite me to dinner. That's gross. Now, we probably would never do that. We would get the plate clean. Yet, have you ever been in a challenging discussion with someone and they told you why they were upset and you acknowledged their point and moved on, and you could tell they were still upset even though you listened to them? Now, you did your part, but they were still noticeably unhappy. Well, people tend to let the little things build up and they need to get them off their chest one at a time. It's like dirty dishes. You take the first pass with a sponge, but there's still some residual gunk that's still there. When people are upset, it's a good idea to ask, is there anything else bothering you? They'll be grateful to be heard, because people don't feel heard until they're heard completely. That means that they've got to get it all out. Ask, anything else? And keep asking until they stop talking. When their plate is clean and they feel heard, only then are they going to be willing to hear you. The plate needs to be clean before you put more food on it. So make sure you keep scrubbing when you sense people need to be heard. This simple idea can really help you build and rebuild relationships when you're struggling with the other person. Thanks for watching 2 Minute Mindsets. Tell us in the comments how this works for you, and we'll see you next time.